So hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing well, you all are doing very good, and you might have gone through the sessions up till now. So I would like to start the session with a very important compound, that is your baking soda and your washing soda. Okay, we'll do these two compounds together, and then in the next session we'll be doing the plaster of Paris, along with that water of crystallization का definition and the meaning of it. Okay, so for this session we'll be doing washing soda, baking soda. So let's start. So these soda are formed by the process which is commonly known as Solvay process. ठीक है? So Solvay process में what we do, we manufacture baking soda and washing soda. So we'll write Solvay process for manufacture of baking soda and washing soda. Baking soda and washing soda. So before going to the process, let's understand the formulas of baking soda and washing soda. Okay? So what is baking soda? Okay? So when we say baking soda, it is nothing but sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay? It is sodium hydrogen carbonate. So we'll write the name here. Now, just remember very simple thing, that when we talk about sodium hydrogen carbonate or CO3, okay, yes, there is an ion CO3 in this. क्या होता है कि ये जो बेकिंग सोडा है, जब आप इसे फूड में ऐड करते हो तो फूड में ऐड, अच्छा इससे रिलेटेड एक बहुत ही अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, आई विल गिव यू इन दिस सेक्शन इटसेल्फ. व्हेन यू ऐड दिस बेकिंग सोडा टू योर फूड, व्हाट हैपेंस with small amount of heat and small amount of acid, it will release CO2 out of it. So when CO2 is released out of NaHCO3, this CO2 gets trapped inside the dough. For example, when you use idli dhokla batter, so in batter or in dough it gets trapped, and due to which the dough gets fluffy or फूल जाता है, ठीक है, fluffy हो जाता है. So that is why we use this. But there is a small side effect, you cannot side effect or limitation of baking soda is, after the formation of CO2 there is also a product formed, that is Na2CO3, and this Na2CO3 is bitter to taste. Since it is, why it is bitter to taste? Because it is a basic salt. How it is so? See, मैं explain कर देती हूँ how this Na2CO3 is a basic salt. See, when we add Na2CO3 with water, so what will be formed? There will be formation of NaOH and H2CO3. See, this equation is not balanced, but you have to balance it, ठीक है, accordingly, or you can just balance it like this, ठीक है. Now you can, whatever it is the balancing process you can do, but what happens, there is production of Na2CO3, and this Na2CO3, can you see these two acid and bases are formed. See, NaOH is a strong base, ठीक है. So as per, and this is your weak acid, है ना. So as per the categorization of acids and categorization of salt on the basis of pH, you can find there is a strong base. So definitely the pH of Na2CO3 will be more than 7. So when it is more than 7, definitely this is going to taste bitter, and that is why mostly nowadays we are not using baking soda. So what we are using, instead of baking soda we use baking powder. So what exactly is this baking powder? This is basically nothing but your baking soda plus, that this baking powder is nothing but baking soda plus your tartaric acid. It is a small organic acid. So when baking soda and tartaric acid is present, there will be formation of baking powder, or these two together form baking powder. So what is the use of this tartaric acid? This tartaric acid directly neutralizes the basicity or basic nature of this Na2CO3, and due to which salty taste comes. ठीक है. So जो हम क्या करते हैं baking powder में we add to cake, to bread, to many other things. We do not add baking soda nowadays because of the bitter taste of this baking soda. I hope it is clear to you. So this is nothing but baking soda. So let's see what is washing soda. So washing soda is nothing but Na2CO3 dot 10H2O, or you can name it as sodium carbonate decahydrate. ठीक है. So there will be water of crystallization. So whenever there is a water of crystallization along with sodium carbonate, it is nothing but your washing soda. The prime use of washing soda is to soften the hard water. What is hard water? It is a water which contains ions of calcium and magnesium. So to those hard water, जो बोरिंग का पानी होता है उसी को हम उसमें ही होता है बेसिकली हार्ड वाटर. तो कैल्शियम और मैग्नीशियम आयंस को क्या करने के लिए, न्यूट्रलाइज करने के लिए वॉशिंग सोडा वी यूज. ठीक है. सो जिससे वाटर क्या होता है, सॉफ्ट हो जाता है. सो बेकिंग सोडा एंड वॉशिंग सोडा, दीज आर दी टू थिंग्स. नाउ let's move on to the process, that is the Solvay process for the formation of these two sodas. Now moving to the Solvay process. ठीक है. So first we'll write the things required. So what is the requirement of Solvay process? So first thing which is required is your brine solution. So this is a very thick solution. ठीक है. इसमें बहुत कम पानी होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत ज़्यादा पानी है. This is a brine solution. Then we need ammonia to it. ठीक है. So that we can form ammoniacal brine solution. Then we need is your carbon dioxide. ठीक है. So carbon dioxide. Now what happens कि to the brine solution, we'll write the process now. Second thing we'll write the process. ठीक है. So to the brine solution we bubble, or we'll directly write bubble ammonia, that is NH3, to the brine solution. ठीक है. Solution to make it ammoniacal brine solution. ठीक है. Now the second thing what we do over here is कि to this ammoniacal brine solution, or this brine solution with ammonia, this is A, the ammoniacal brine solution, we pass carbon dioxide over it. So we'll write pass carbon dioxide over ammoniacal brine solution. And then what you find, or what is produced, there will be production of, and it will produce sodium hydrogen carbonate and ammonium क्लोराइड. ठीक है. So that means there is formation of this NaHCO3. First thing, if you want to keep this NaHCO3, that is the baking soda, you can keep, and if you want to convert it into washing soda, you can go through the further steps. ठीक है. So up till this we'll write the equation and then we'll go through the next steps. ठीक है. So let's move on to that. ठीक है. I'll just remove everything and then I'll write the equation and then the further steps. ठीक है. Now the reaction will be, see, NaCl plus water plus ammonia. ठीक है. This is known as brine solution and up till this it is known as ammoniacal brine solution. ठीक है. Now what we have done, we have passed carbon dioxide over this solution. So when we pass carbon dioxide over this solution, it will produce NaHCO3 and NH4Cl. See, I have not balanced this equation. If you want, you can check whether it is balanced or not. Accordingly, you can balance the equation. ठीक है. According to me, it is balanced. Anyways, you can check it out. ठीक है. So what is produced? This is known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. ठीक है. This is known as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then is your ammonium chloride, also formed, ठीक है, as the byproduct of the reaction. ठीक है. Now this is the very first step or the formation of your baking soda. This is also termed as baking soda. So if you want to convert this baking soda into washing soda, what you can do, the fourth step is the process का जो हमने यहाँ पे किया उसका fourth step is now to convert baking soda into washing soda, heat it or heat NaHCO3, that is nothing but baking soda itself. ठीक है. This is your baking soda, remember this heat NaHCO3. So what will happen when you heat NaHCO3? ठीक है. So what will happen, there will be formation of Na2CO3 and H2O will be removed. ठीक है. So this Na2CO3 is a crystal. ठीक है. So you can easily filter it out. So this Na2CO3 is then fifth step, you can say कि this Na2CO3 is then recrystallized to form washing soda. ठीक है. So what is the reaction you can write? You can simply write Na2CO3 plus 10 H2O gives Na2CO3 dot 10 H2O. This is also termed as sodium carbonate decahydrate. ठीक है. So this is nothing but washing soda. So this is the complete solvay process that is used for the manufacture of baking soda and your washing soda. Now with this we have completed the formation or the manufacture. So let's move to the uses of it. Okay? Now let's move on to the uses of baking soda. Okay? So uses of baking soda. ठीक है. So baking soda अगर बोला है तो very important use will be in the food industry itself. But since it is not that much used nowadays in food industry, it has been replaced by baking soda. So we'll write the very first use. Baking powder. ठीक है. So very first use is that it is used for making baking powder. So what is the difference? I have already said about this in the same session. Once again I will repeat कि जो baking soda होता है NaHCO3, this is added with a small amount of tartaric acid. Because of this tartaric acid, the Na2CO3 which is formed which is formed after the reaction or while the production of CO2, that Na2CO3 gets neutralized with this tartaric acid and gives the salty taste instead of the bitter. So that is why baking powder is used. So that is the baking soda is used for making baking powder. The second important use is it is used for production of CO2. ठीक है. सो देखो एक छोटा सा टॉपिक इससे रिलेटेड मैं बताना चाहूँगी. इट इज़ नॉट इनटू दिस बट एक स्मॉल टॉपिक जनरल अवेयरनेस का कि CO2 को हम प्रिजर्व भी करते हैं. तो जब हम कार्बन को प्रिजर्व करते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और एनी अदर फॉर्म, तो ये जो होता है इस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं कार्बन सीक्वेस्ट्रेशन. तो एक कंट्री है आइसलैंड. दैट आइसलैंड में ये प्रोजेक्ट चल रहा है जहाँ पर कि क्योंकि कैल्शियम काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, बसाल्टिक प्लेट्यू है, तो इस वजह से क्या किया जाता है वहाँ पे कैल्शियम की मात्रा ज़्यादा होती है, आयरन की मात्रा ज़्यादा होती है, तो उस पर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड स्प्रे किया जाता है स्लोली सो दैट इट गेट्स कंबाइंड टू दोज calcium and iron forming the carbonates of these and hence the carbon dioxide can be preserved there. So this process is known as your carbon sequestration. So ये इसलिए कहा क्योंकि CO2 को हमने एक तरह से NaCO3 के फॉर्म में प्रिजर्व ही किया है ना, तो ये CO2 जब भी रिक्वायर्ड है we can use it. So this is also used in the production of CO2 and what we have said कि जो प्रिजर्व करना है CO2 को, उस प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं कार्बन सीक्वेस्ट्रेशन. ठीक है. द थर्ड यूज इज इट इज यूज्ड एज एफरवेसेंट. ठीक है. इन सोडा. सी जो आपका जितना भी कोक हो गया, थम्स अप हो गया, पेप्सी हो गया, इसमें जो वो बबल्स आते हैं, जो सोडा होता है, दैट इज एक्चुअली और द एफरवेसेंस दैट इज द बबल्स व्हिच कम्स आउट ऑफ द सोडा इज नथिंग बट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. तो उसमें भी ये सोडा यूज किया जा सकता है, दैट इज द बेकिंग सोडा कैन बी यूज्ड. देन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट यूज ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा इज it can be used or it is used as antacid and acid in cure of or for the treatment of, you can say, hyper acidity. So why it is so? Because सी व्हाट हैपेंस कि एसिडिटी जब फॉर्म हो हमें हो जाती है, एसिडिटी होती है, तो इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सेस प्रोडक्शन ऑफ HCl इन आवर बॉडी और एसिड प्रोडक्शन इन आवर बॉडी ड्यू टू बेसिकली स्टमक, ड्यू टू विच गैस का फॉर्मेशन होता है और बहुत ज़्यादा पेनफुल सिचुएशन होता है, यहाँ पर हमें जलने लगता है, गले में जलता है. सो दैट इज़ नथिंग बट एसिडिटी. सो वेन एवर एसिडिटी अकर्स यू कैन यूज बेकिंग सोडा. ठीक है. अरे तारक मेहता में भी सी ना, एवरी टाइम दोज मेन्स गो आउट फॉर टेकिंग दैट क्या जीरा सोडा लेने के लिए जाते हैं, तो वैसे ही बेकिंग सोडा कैन बी यूज्ड एज द क्योर. ठीक है. सो दैट एसिडिटी कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड और कैन बी क्योर्ड. अगर नहीं हुआ है तो प्रिवेंट करो, और अगर हुआ है हाइपर एसिडिटी तो उसे क्योर करो. तो एंटासिड क्या होता है? एक ऐसा बेस जो इस एसिड को न्यूट्रलाइज करे. हमने देखा था बेकिंग सोडा क्या रिलीज करता है? Na2CO3. दिस सॉल्ट इज अ बेसिक सॉल्ट. व्हाई इट इज अ बेसिक सॉल्ट? क्योंकि इसका pH बेसिक होता है. तो जब हम इसको बेसिक सॉल्ट को यूज करेंगे तो ये वर्क करेगा एंटासिड की तरह, दैट इज फॉर द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन ऑफ एसिड. ठीक है. So this is a very important use or a medicinal use, that is use of baking soda as a antacid. Then you can one more very important use of this baking soda is it is used in soda acid fire extinguisher. So in the last session of this chapter we'll be reading what, or we will be studying about the soda acid fire extinguisher. It is an important fire extinguisher in which this can be used. ठीक है. So whenever there is a action or reaction between this baking soda and acid, example H2SO4 or whatever, there is a tremendous amount of CO2 formed, and this CO2 can be used for fire extinguishing. ठीक है. So these are the uses of baking soda. So now let's move to the uses of washing soda as well. Now the use of washing soda can be easily understood with help of few points. ठीक है. For example, this washing soda is used for removal of permanent hardness of water. ठीक है. What is the hardness of water mean? This is nothing but the presence of calcium and magnesium ions. So we just remove the permanent hardness of the water with help of washing soda. So uses of washing soda. In this what I said, first removing permanent hardness of water. See, permanent hardness क्या होता है? I have explained you, and we remove it with help of washing soda. Second is you can say for the formation or for the manufacture, even it is used in the as the cleansing agent in the household. ठीक है. But this is the important one, that is manufacture of borax, soap, detergents. ठीक है. Then glass, then paper, then there are many industries such as textile industry में भी ये यूज होता है. textile industry. ठीक है, etc. So these are the very important uses. Then it is used as the cleansing agent. In household. ठीक है. So these are used as, or washing soda can be used as cleansing agent, or to remove permanent hardness, or to make or the formation of glass, paper, soap. Then paper, it is a paper, does not paper, soap, textile industry, borax का formation, then sodium hydroxide बनाने के लिए, utensils बनाने के लिए, clothes, या laboratory reagent की तरह इसे यूज़ किया जा सकता है. So these are the uses of baking soda and washing soda we have done. So I hope in this session you are very clear with the two things, that is the formation of baking soda and washing soda and the uses of both. So I hope if you are clear with it, then it's well and good. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. So with this, I would like to wind up the session. I'll take your leave then. Bye bye.